Welcome to the third episode in our series Money Matters, designed to give you clear and straightforward advice when managing your finances. I'm Rolf and I'm the Director of Private Clients at Investment Quorum. In this episode, I will touch on three key areas of investing: your time frame, understanding what you're invested in, and taking your emotions out of the decision-making process. Given the great uncertainty that we currently find ourselves in and the impact that this is having on stock markets around the world, it is very easy to focus on the performance of your investments over the very short term. Monitoring your portfolio on a day-by-day or even weekly basis can heighten your awareness to the risks. However, the more you expand your reference time horizon, the more context you will get. If you look at your portfolio over the last 2 months only, it may look like it has fallen off a cliff, but if you look at it over a 5 or even 10-year horizon, it can look like a bump in the road. Often, the cause of anxiety for many investors is simply not understanding what they are invested in, and importantly, how these investments might react to the economic environment. I think it's really important to talk this through with your advisor so that you are better informed about what you're invested in, where the risks and potential returns lie, and what changes are being made to accommodate the current environment. This should provide you with more comfort, as you may not be experiencing the same risks and returns within your own portfolio as those banner headlines that you read about in the financial press. Remember, the current environment may create many new opportunities for certain businesses to flourish, and that volatile markets can create great opportunities for long-term investors. Not acting out of panic may be easier said than done. After all, this is a natural emotion for humans. If your impulse is telling you to react, try and put some time between this emotion and your action. Making decisions based on fear can often destroy long-term value. Take time to review the purpose of your investments and the possible implications of your actions. Filter out the noise of daily news that may be fueling your anxiety. Revisit your long-term objectives and remember that no one can successfully time markets on a consistent basis. Thanks very much for your time. I hope that you found these tips of use. Please do get in contact if you would like to discuss any aspects of your finances. We would be delighted to help.